I'm Craig.
Oh,
I'm Crazy Yacht. Today we're going to be harming some small animals.
wait, that's not harming. It's called saving.
And today we are in the BlockBots part, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, in the last time we did this. So today there's some tadpoles behind this wall. Can you see this? Oh dang, I just licked my phone in the water. Oh yeah. And say, oh no. Sorry, that's my finger. And yeah, it's the view from here. You can see the little tadpoles.
Wait.
By the way, you see nothing. Yeah, actually, it cannot be seen. But today we're going to interrupt him like this small little insects because he's going to run from earthquake. So today, how are we going to interrupt him?
Magnitude.
Okay, so today, in 3 and 2 and boom. Hello, I'm Gray. You can see me now. Woohoo. Now you see me. Oh, fuck. Sorry, guys. I'm kinda, just like, bam. Oh, dang. Luckily, it did not go into the water because I'm going to say, holy beep. Yeah, and guys, I think that's more of the interrupting. And we're gonna end this stupid video with a skipping stone, right? Right?
Yeah.
Right? Yeah. Let's go.
You go first.
You go first. Omo. And thank you guys for watching, right?
Bye.